21 Essential Daily Verbs.
Word plus examples.
Get. Get.
I get dressed.
She gets home early. Make. Make.
I make coffee.
He makes dinner. No. No.
I know her name.
She knows how to cook. Think. Think.
I think about my day.
They think it will rain. Take. Take.
I take my lunch to work.
She takes care of her plants. See. See.
I see my friends at school.
He sees a movie on weekends. Come. Come.
She comes to visit often.
They come to the party. Want. Want.
I want some ice cream.
He wants to play video games. Look. Look.
I look in the mirror.
She looks for her keys. Find. Find.
I find my shoes.
She finds a good book to read. Give. Give.
I give my friend a gift.
He gives his time to help others. Work. Work.
I work from home.
They work together on projects. Call. Call.
I call my parents every week.
She calls her friend for advice. Try. Try.
I try new recipes.
He tries to exercise regularly. Feel. Feel.
I feel happy today.
She feels nervous before a test. Help. Help.
I help my sister.
He helps his neighbor. Play. Play.
I play games with my family.
She plays the piano beautifully. Ask. Ask.
I ask questions in class.
She asks for directions. Start. Start.
I start my day with coffee.
He starts his workout at 6 a.m. Finish. Finish.
I finish my work by 5 p.m.
She finishes reading her book. Create. Create.
I create art in my free time.
She creates a plan for the event.